Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Blender. To install Blender, you have to go to its website www.blender.org. Here, you'll find a download Blender button. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you'll find the various download options in Blender. Choose according to your preference and wait for the download to complete. In the meantime, you can explore the hardware requirements of Blender. I recommend you to have a moderate hardware requirement. Having a graphic card of minimum 2 GB is even better. And a 4 GB RAM, it's okay to work with a 4 GB RAM in Blender. To avoid crashes, always close all the other programs while using Blender. Now our download is finished. Just follow the setup to install Blender. I recommend you to install Blender in the default directory which Blender specifies. And here we go. We have almost completed the download and also the installation of Blender. And here we have successfully launched Blender. Congrats! You have taken your first step towards Blender.